Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Let's take a Doritas. It is instead of raising your felony. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, feel a gentle release of any tension you may be holding. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, and your hands rest comfortably in your lap or at your sides. Inhale deeply once more, feeling the air fill your lungs completely, and as you exhale, allow your entire body to sink into a state of profound relaxation. Notice the rhythm of your breath, natural and effortless, like waves on shore, rising and falling without any effort at all. And with each exhale, you release the day, the thoughts, the distractions, until there is only this moment, this breath, this stillness. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, right where your heart beats with a steady, rhythmic pulse. Feel that pulse, that life force pulsing through every cell, every fiber of your being. This is your vitality, your inherent wellness, your natural state of health. And as you breathe, you can begin to sense a warmth spreading from your chest, like a gentle sun rising within you. This warmth is your body's. And now, I invite you to recall a time in your life when you felt completely alive, vibrant, and full of energy. Toe out, felt for, felled, $3. Perhaps it was a moment of laughter with a friend, a walk in nature where you felt the sun on your skin and the breeze in your hair, or a time when you accomplished something that made you feel strong and capable. Let that memory come to the surface, not as a distant thought, but as a living, breathing experience. A trigger, 'cause see the colors, hear the sounds, feel the sensations in your body, the lightness, the warmth, the sense of pure aliveness. Now, as you hold that feeling, gently touch your thumb and forefinger together on one hand, creating a simple anchor. Press them lightly and let that pressure become a signal, a trigger for this state of vibrant health and vitality. As you breathe deeply, amplify that feeling. Make it brighter, warmer, more intense. Inhale and feel the energy rising. Exhale and let it spread moment Inhale and feel the energy rising. Exhale and let it spread. Repeat silently to yourself. I am whole. I am healthy. I am alive with vitality. With every breath you take, you are inhaling vitality, exhaling any stagnation, any fatigue, any limitation. Inhale, vitality. Exhale, release. This light is pure life force, pure wellness, pure energy. It moves through every organ, every system, every cell, cleansing, renewing, revitalizing your Port, filterrieben. And as this light is pure life force, pure wellness, pure energy. It moves through every organ, every system, every cell, cleansing, renewing, revitalizing, powers. And as this light flows, you can feel a deep sense of peace, of trust, of knowing that your body knows exactly how to heal itself, how to thrive, how to be in perfect balance. Now, I want you to imagine that you are standing in a lush green forest, surrounded by towering trees and the sound of a gentle stream. That air is crisp and clean, and with each breath, you feel more alive, more connected to the earth, more grounded in your own vitality. The sun filters through the leaves, warming your skin, and you feel a deep, abiding wellness radiating from within you. In this place, you are a being of pure health. Your body moves with ease now. Bring your attention back to your breath and notice how the golden light you imagined earlier is now a part of you, flowing effortlessly, always present. And as you breathe, you can anchor this state once more by touching your thumb and forefinger together. Press them lightly and feel the surge of vitality, of health, of well-being rising up within you. And I am healthy. I am whole. I am alive with energy. With each repetition, the anchor grows stronger. The feeling deepens. The transformation becomes more real. You are not just affirming health. You are embodying it, living it, breathing it. And now, as you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, Let your mind wander to a vision of your future self. 1 month from now, 6 months from now, 1 year from now. See yourself moving through life with ease. Your body strong and flexible. Your mind sharp and focused. Your heart open and full of joy. See yourself waking up each morning, feeling refreshed, energized, ready to... Now, let your awareness settle into the center of your being, the place where your breath meets your life force. Feel the gentle pulse of your heart, the rhythm of your breath, the flow of energy through your body, and know that this is the source of your health, the foundation of your vitality, the essence of your being. As you rest in this awareness, I want you to imagine a beautiful, radiant sun in the center of your chest, glowing with a soft, golden light. Oh, this sun is your inner healer, your inner vitality, your inner wisdom. With each inhale, the sun grows brighter, warmer, more expansive. With each exhale, its light spreads through your entire body, reaching every cell, every organ, every system. Feel the warmth in your heart, in your lungs, in your stomach, in your limbs. The light flows down your arms, into your hands, and out through your fingertips. It flows down your spine, into your legs, and out through your feet. It fills your head, your mind, your thoughts with clarity and calm. And as this light fills you completely, you realize that there is no separation between you and this vitality. You are the vitality. You are the health. You are the energy. Warming. Repeat silently. I am one with the life force. I am one with perfect health. I am one with boundless energy. Feel the unity, the wholeness, the completeness of this truth. Now, you are now in a state of deep, profound transformation. Your subconscious mind has received these affirmations, these anchors, these visions, and it is already working to integrate them into every aspect of your being. You don't need to analyze, to judge, to control. Simply trust the process. Trust your body. Trust the wisdom within you. And as you continue to breathe, let your awareness expand beyond your body, beyond this moment, into the infinite field of possibility that surrounds you. In this field, health is not just a state. It is a frequency, a vibration, a way of being. And you are tuning into that frequency right now with every breath, every thought, every feeling. And repeat once more with full presence. I am health. I am vitality. I am energy. I am whole. Let these words echo in the silence of your being, where they will continue to resonate long after this meditation is complete. Now, gently bring your awareness back to the room, back to the surface beneath you, back to the air around you. Begin to notice the sounds in the distance, the feeling of your clothes against your skin, the weight of your body. And as you do, know that you carry this transformation with you, anchored in your body, in your breath, in your touch. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing gentle. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.